If you've made the decision to promote high ticket offers as an affiliate marketer, you likely want to know the best ways to do it, right? High ticket means offers that generally cost over $1,000, although the definition is relatively loose, so it can be from $500 and above. But the general consensus is that high ticket is offers above $1,000. And today, I'm going to show you the two best ways to promote them to get results. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. A lot of questions I've been getting lately are about high ticket offers, and in particular, how should you promote them to get the best results? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the two methods that I'm using to promote high ticket offers. Now, it's early days for me promoting high ticket offers since I started out at the other end of the affiliate market spectrum, selling low ticket offers. But with high ticket embedded in the funnel, I'm now of the view that having both is good for business. It gives me exposure to both markets and the opportunity to grow income streams from multiple products and multiple funnels. And the maths is pretty straightforward to understand. Making $1,000 from one sale is a whole lot easier than trying to generate $1,000 from low ticket offers. Now, if your goal is to make $10,000 per month, then 10 high ticket sales per month sounds a lot better than 1,000 $10 sales, right? So having said that, the reason I like to do both is that with my low ticket promotions, I'm building a base of recurring monthly commissions. This base enables me to spend more money and time on growing my high ticket business, which adds to my base of low ticket and recurring commissions. So let's dive into the two main strategies that I believe to be the best for promoting high ticket offers that generate success and therefore dollars. The first strategy for promoting high ticket offers is Facebook organic traffic. What does that mean? Well, simply it's where you're going to use organic or free strategies to attract traffic to your offer. This strategy is a more personal approach and hands-on to the second option I'm going to share with you in a little bit. And effectively, it's about conversations. The concept is quite straightforward. You provide your audience and potential audience with value via your Facebook profile and a group if you have one. And you try to call out those that need and want the product that you're promoting. To do this, you're going to post on your profile and in your group. And if you don't have a group, that's totally fine for now. But ultimately, you want to have one so you can get more focused with people who raise their hand about your content. The process is basically like this. First, you post valuable content on your profile, which is educational, inspirational, conversational, and personal. Mix it up and build engagement with your audience. Second is you call out those that you want to work with and get them to take an action in the form of comments and direct messages so you can get them into conversations. And then third, you get them into your group or email list or both. And this is important so you can provide them with specific content and follow-up messages that helps them understand the offer and how you can help them. And then fourth, you get them in front of your offer, either via a sales page or physical conversation. And this is where you're going to make direct offer to invite them to take action and buy your offer. Obviously, having a personal conversation can be hard for some, but once you get used to it, it's a great way to understand your lead and what they need to move forward, which may not always be your high ticket offer. It may be something else you have. And then finally, you're closing the deal, the fun part, where you get to convert your lead to the offer and make some dollars. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is and it isn't. Like most things in life, it requires some work to establish the basics and the momentum, and then it becomes a whole lot easier. What I've found is that if you're consistent in the application, then results will come your way, like they have for me. While I can't go into every detail of every step of this process in this video, I'll leave a link in the description that you can use to get started and get access to me for 30 days to learn more about the strategy. Okay, the second method, which is one I learned just recently, is what I'm now calling the content creation strategy. And it's a little more complicated, but once it's set up, it can generate leads and sales in a far more hands-off and evergreen manner. So let me outline at a high level the strategy and then talk a little bit about how it works. So first up is you're going to select a high ticket offer on ClickBank. Look for products that are sold via a free webinar training. And then second, once you understand the offer being made in the webinar, create a blog post that teaches something about the offer. So it might be how to set up a Shopify business. So you write your blog post about a Shopify business and provide massive value in the blog post. Third is at the end of the blog post, you have a link to an offer for an ebook on the topic for say $1.99. Again, the ebook will be on an extension of the topic. Now, you don't have to write the book yourself. You can get books that have already been written on almost any topic from a PLR website. And PLR is just a private label rights and means for a small fee, you can buy the rights to a book or ebook and make any edits you like and sell it for whatever price you like. So the work's done for you. Next up is once someone buys the book for $1.99, you have a thank you page which explains their digital book will be delivered to them shortly, say 20 minutes. Now this is important because you don't want them rushing off to get the book. You want to have some delay. And this is important because you're going to have an offer on your thank you page for them to watch a free training. And this free training will be the webinar of the high ticket offer that you selected from ClickBank. The webinar training in the next step will then take your lead through a funnel to buy a high ticket offer that you receive good commissions for without having to do any personal calls or interactions. So very different to the first strategy, but just as effective, especially if you select a product that has good conversion rates and a good sales process. Now, that's the process. The next part is how to get traffic to your blog posts so you can get people into the process. And the key difference with this strategy is you're going to use paid methods such as Google Ads or YouTube and Facebook ads. It works best with Google Ads, but all will work. So it's your choice as to how you go about it. You may have a preference, which is totally fine. So you set up your ads that direct people to your blog post. The lead gets great value from your post and at the end sees the offer for the $1.99 book and thinks that's good value and clicks across to your sales page to buy the book. Now, once they buy the book, they get the offer for free training and boom, you make high ticket sales. Now, a couple of things to note about the costs. The purpose of the $1.99 book is to fund some of your ad costs. In an ideal world, the click cost to your blog post would be paid for by the number of people who buy your book. Now, we know all things aren't ideal and there will be people who don't buy the book. So an extra trick you can use with the blog post is to put an exit pop on the blog post for when people try to leave the page. In the event that they are leaving without buying the book, the exit pop can offer them the free training straight up. Some people will take that offer and end up being buyers of the high ticket offer. A second trick is that both the thank you page and exit pop will have email opt-in boxes, so you're capturing an email address. So in the event that they don't buy, at least you're growing your email list and can follow up with them and make future offers as well. Now, this is a truly awesome strategy and is not being used by many people. So you have the chance to make some great results using this strategy. And if you can get the costs of your ads funded from your sales of your book, you can scale quickly and really build up your sales of the high ticket product over time. Now, I'm really excited about this strategy and the early results I'm seeing. Yeah, I'll probably do an update of this strategy in a few months when I have more results, but I wanted to share it with you right now so you can also get started using it to generate some dollars. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you a better understanding of the two best strategies you can use to promote high ticket offers. Get them set up and start using them as soon as possible so you can be building a high ticket offer and business from today. So let's do a quick recap of the two best strategies for promoting high ticket offers. First is the Facebook organic strategy, which is about providing value and starting conversations with your audience that identify themselves as interested in your offer. And the second is what I'm calling the content creation strategy, where you use a blog post, low-cost book, and paid traffic to get leads to watch a free training for a high ticket offer on ClickBank. Now, if you want to get started using these strategies in your own affiliate marketing business, you can join my inner circle and get 30 days of training from me for free. Click the link in the description to get started and let's get you earning an income in the next 30 days. Now, this offer won't be available for long, so make sure you can claim your seat today. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get started, click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a training's released. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget, to get started building your own profitable high-ticket business, join my inner circle by clicking on the link below, and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.